Hello and welcome to the Tech Train. In this quick tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to format text in Microsoft Word in the same way that it generally is in printed novels, paperbacks, books, things like that. You'll notice that in text, in printed text, you'll often have the writing like this. So there's no space between paragraphs, and the first line of each paragraph is slightly indented. Pick up most novels, you'll find that's often how it's formatted. So how do we do this? Because normally you'll find that in Microsoft Word it works out like this. No indent at the beginning and quite a large space between each paragraph. So what we need to do is this. We select all of the text. Obviously easy to do this at the beginning, but we'll select all the text we want to format. And in the top section here in the ribbon, we're going to make sure we're in the Home tab and find the section called Paragraph. And we're going to click the little pop-out at the bottom right corner of that section. In here, there are two changes that we're going to make. The first is here in the spacing. This is the space before each paragraph and after each paragraph. Now, if we don't want a space between the paragraphs, we need to make sure that both of these values are 0. So make sure these are 0, and straight away that will reduce the space or eliminate the space between the paragraphs. However, that doesn't put in the indentation, so let's do that. Back into that same tab, so there's the spacing before and after each paragraph. But to indent the first line of each paragraph, we're going to come to the indentation section, and on the right we've got this special option. I'm going to click the drop down here and choose first line. That's the first line of each paragraph. Now 1.27 centimeters is a little bit too much. I'm going to bring that down to about 0.8 centimeters and click OK. And there we are. Our text is now formatted in much the same way as you would in a printed novel. If you're creating documents for Kindle, for example, or for printing, self-publishing, anything like that, this is often the way that you're going to format your text. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please give this video a quick thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you can catch the next video when that comes out. See you then.